Writing a research paper is weirdly exhausting, not always because the topic is hard, but because starting is painful. You sit there with a blank page, a bunch of tabs open, maybe some PDFs, and your brain just freezes. That's exactly the situation tools like Jenni AI are trying to fix. So in this Jenni AI review, I wanted to see if it actually helps you write research papers faster, or if it's just another AI tool making big promises. Jenni AI is basically an AI writing assistant built specifically for academic work, not casual writing. Think research papers, essays, literature reviews, that kind of stuff. The first thing you notice is how it helps you keep writing. Instead of staring at a blank page, it starts suggesting the next sentence while you type, almost like smart autocomplete, but for full paragraphs. And honestly, that's helpful when you're stuck. You're not copying everything it writes, but it gives you momentum. You keep moving instead of getting stuck on one sentence for 10 minutes. Another thing that helps is citations. If you've ever formatted references manually, you know how annoying that is. Jenni AI can help insert citations while you're writing, which saves a surprising amount of time. There's also an outline feature. You can type your research topic and it helps sketch a basic structure for the paper. Intro, sections, conclusion. It's not perfect, but it gives you a starting point. And sometimes that's all you need. Now let's be real about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is speed. It helps you get a first draft going much faster, especially if writing isn't your favorite part of research. But it's not magic. You still need to check your sources, adjust the wording, and make sure your arguments actually make sense. You can't just copy and submit. So is Jenni AI worth it? If you write research papers often, it can definitely make the process smoother and faster. But if you only write occasionally, you might not need a dedicated tool for it. Jenni AI doesn't do the thinking for you, it just makes the writing part less painful. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.